13th Street elevators.
Spilled their coffee.
Oh, can you hit 22 for me? Thank you. Have a good one. Scott, placement indicator. Snap caps.
Four, please. Yeah, that
I had a
one.
little brain fart there. I was like,
That's okay. It's just numbers. You taking a video?
yeah, I love elevators.
Oh.
There you go.
All right. Have a good one.
Me too. I especially love Montgomery elevators. These are still pretty original aside from the fixtures. And there's a fucking loser over there. I got up to 22.
I got